muscle, and here it is the pectoralis minor muscle. We get here the deltoid muscle, okay, and here we get the coracobrachialis muscle. Coracobrachialis. Here is the coracobrachialis muscle. Here we get the contents of the axilla. This is the axillary artery, and here is the axillary vein. Axillary vein. This is the axillary vein, and here we get the brachial plexus, the cords of the brachial plexus. Cords of the brachial plexus, which is one medial cord, one lateral cord, and one posterior cord. The medial cord is medial to the medial cord is medial to the third part of axillary artery. Lateral cord is lateral to the third part of axillary artery, and posterior cord is behind, that is posterior to the axillary artery, third part of axillary artery. Now the branches from the lateral cord. One branch is the lateral root of the median nerve. Okay. One is the musculocutaneous nerve, which pierces the coracobrachialis muscle. Okay. And one is lateral pectoral nerve, which pierces the clavipectoral fossa. So here we not get the lateral pectoral nerve. Now the medial cord. Medial cord, here is the medial root of median nerve. Medial root of median nerve. Okay. This is the medial root of median nerve. Then we get the ulnar nerve. This is the ulnar nerve. This is the ulnar nerve, which goes to the posterior aspect of the ulna. Okay, and this is the continuation of the medial cord. Okay. Then we get medial root of medial cutaneous nerve of the arm, which we not get here. Medial cutaneous nerve of the forearm, which goes to the forearm. Medial cutaneous nerve of the forearm. Okay, 4. And one is the medial pectoral nerve. This is the medial pectoral nerve. This is the medial pectoral nerve, which pierces the pectoralis minor muscle, and then goes supplied to the deltoid muscle. Okay. Now the posterior cord. The main nerve of the posterior cord is the radial nerve. So we lift the all the structures here. All these structures here, and we get the large nerve, that is the radial nerve. Okay, and here behind it we get the axillary nerve. Okay, now the other branches are the posterior cord. One is the thoracodorsal nerve. This is the thoracodorsal, which goes to supply the latissimus dorsi muscle, and then we get the lower subscapular. That is the lower portion of the thoracodorsal. Here we get the lower subscapular. And in this region, upper to the thoracodorsal nerve, in this region we get the upper subscapular nerve. Okay, so this is the branches from the lateral cord of the brachial plexus. So now from the upper trunk there is two branches. One goes to the nerve to subclavius, that is supplies the subclavius muscle, and one is the long thoracic nerve, which supplies the serratus anterior muscle. Upper trunk nerve. Root. Suprascapular is the from the upper trunk. Suprascapular and the nerve to subclavius is the branch from the upper trunk. From the root there are 5 branches. One is nerve to scalene, that is scalenus anterior, scalenus medius, this muscle. One is nerve to longus colli muscle. One is nerve to rhomboideus muscle. One is nerve to serratus anterior, that is the long thoracic nerve. Okay, long thoracic nerve, that is nerve to serratus anterior, and one is joined with the phrenic nerve. So this is the branches from the brachial plexus, from the cords, upper trunks, and roots. Now,